welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I have quite a bit of Irish in me. And with St. Patrick's Day around the corner, I thought I'd whip up a delicious cake with a very Irish ingredient. So get ready for some vegan Guinness chocolate cake. Let's dive in. Get out a small pot and pour in 1 bottle of Guinness. Turn that up to high and bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for that to heat up, get out a large bowl and add in flour, sugar, and cocoa powder. Let's also add in baking soda, baking powder, applesauce, and vegan chocolate chips. Give it a rough mix for now and set aside. Now that our beer is boiling, never thought I'd say that, add it to the bowl and give it a good mix until everything is thoroughly incorporated to the batter. Get out a 13x9 baking dish and lightly spray it down with some nonstick spray. Pour in the mix and into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Give it the old toothpick check to make sure it's cooked in the middle and let it cool off. It's been about an hour now, and since it's cool to the touch, let's decorate it with some powdered sugar. This is looking beautiful, so let's plate this dish. This is definitely an adult dessert. But we did not lose any of that Guinness flavor. It's all there and it pairs perfect with our dark chocolate. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you're doing for St. Patty's Day in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. It feels so wrong bringing beer to a boil. Yeah?